I'm excited to have back with us. We always have Joe Coleman with those Callaways, and of course he brings some amazing homes, but you also need to be going to those Callaways for no matter what, whether you're buying or selling your home. So Joe, let's hear about what we've got today.
Yeah, we have a wonderful property, 8040 East Del Tornasol, right in the heart of Scottsdale at Hayden and Mountain View. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a bonus room, and it's over 2,000 square feet, and it's really open and bright because it has vaulted ceilings and a sunlit atrium. It's got a remodeled kitchen. It's just a fabulous property, 2-car garage, single-family home on a corner lot.
Wow.
And it just couldn't be in more of a prime location.
It sounds gorgeous.
It is.
Okay, and what is the price for this one?
$545,000.
Oh wow, okay.
And for that location, it's just, you can't beat it.
Oh yeah, you can't, and of course it's going to fly off the market very, very quickly. So I know that's one that people really need to jump on it quickly. But I'm also always telling everybody, just call no matter what, whether you get this one or not. They need to be getting in touch with you guys to get you into the right home, because you have the insight. You can try to get them into something beforehand.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you can browse our website for our inventory, or if you're thinking about selling your home, it's a great resource as well.
That's true. All right. Well, thank you for joining us again.
Thank you.